In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mail merge Avery labels using Google Docs and Google Sheets. Start in Google Sheets by creating a new spreadsheet and setting up your header row in the very first line. Use clear, simple headers like name, address, city, and zip. These headers become your merge fields later, so keep them consistent and avoid special characters. Under each header, fill in your mailing list data. Keep one contact per row, and try to be consistent with abbreviations and capitalization. If you have extra fields you care about, add them as additional columns now. It's much easier to design labels when your data is tidy. Also, double-check for blank rows or trailing spaces, as those can throw off formatting. Next, install the label extension. In your Google Sheet, go to Extensions, then Add-ons, and choose Get Add. In the Marketplace, search for Avery Label Merge. If you don't see that exact option, a similar tool like Label Maker will work fine. Click to install and follow the prompts to grant the on-screen permissions so the add-on can access your sheet and create documents. With the add-on installed, select your label template. Go to Extensions, open Avery Label Merge, and choose Create Labels. Pick the label template that matches the Avery code on your label pack. This is what ensures your text lines up perfectly with the label sheet. So take a moment to select the correct size. Now map your data and design your label. In the sidebar, insert merge fields such as name by selecting the corresponding column headers from your sheet. Type and arrange your label content in the first label cell exactly as you want it to appear, using line breaks where needed. Format the text with bold, italics, underline, and adjust alignment or font size for readability. Whatever you apply to that first label cell will be used for all labels, which saves a lot of time and guarantees consistency. When everything looks right, click the Create Labels button. The tool will generate a new Google Doc or sometimes a PDF containing your merged labels. Open that file and get ready to print. In your print dialog, set the scale to 100% and choose the correct paper size for your label sheets. Disable any Fit to Pages options that might shrink or stretch the layout. Load your Avery labels into the printer, according to the manufacturer's instructions, and you are set. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.